Picture stepping off a plane in San Juan, feeling that warm Caribbean air hit your face, and then realizing your hotel is barely a 5-minute drive away. That is the reality for guests checking into the Royal Sonesta San Juan, a 4-star beachfront property tucked into the lively Isla Verde neighborhood of Carolina, Puerto Rico. Sitting at 5961 Isla Verde Avenue, this recently renovated resort has quietly built up a loyal following, earning an impressive 8.8 on Booking.com across more than 1,150 reviews, a 4.3 on Tripadvisor from over 4,100 travelers, and a strong 9.0 on Expedia. Those numbers do not just appear out of thin air, and over the next few minutes this review will break down exactly what guests are getting for their money. From the rooms and the restaurants to the beach access and the little touches that make a stay memorable, everything is on the table. Starting with the rooms, the Royal Sonesta San Juan offers a variety of accommodations designed to fit different types of travelers, from solo business visitors to large family groups. While the property does not publicly list every single room category with exact square footage, guests can generally expect a mix of standard rooms, upgraded ocean view options, and larger suites that work well for families or longer stays. The recent renovations have given the interiors a fresh, modern feel, and cleanliness scores back that up in a big way, with Booking.com guests giving the property a stellar 9.3 for cleanliness. That is the kind of number that tells you housekeeping is not cutting corners. Rooms typically come equipped with the essentials modern travelers expect, including reliable Wi-Fi, climate control, comfortable bedding, and private bathrooms stocked with fresh towels. The real draw for many guests, however, is the view. Being situated directly on Isla Verde Beach means that a good number of rooms look out onto the Atlantic Ocean, and there is something about waking up to the sound of waves that no city hotel can replicate. Family-friendly configurations are available, which is a big plus given that the property is not adults-only and welcomes travelers of every age. Accessible room options are also part of the mix, making this a viable choice for guests with mobility needs. Whether someone is booking a quick weekend escape or a 2-week vacation, the room selection has enough variety to cover most travel scenarios without breaking the bank on unnecessary extras. When it comes to food and drink, the Royal Sonesta San Juan does not mess around, offering an impressive lineup of dining venues that should keep even the pickiest eaters satisfied. Guests can wander over to Ocean Breeze for a laid-back meal with a view, or head to Caria for something a little different. There is also Aqua Bar and Grill, which tends to be a popular spot for guests wanting a casual bite without leaving the property. La Bodega adds another flavor to the mix, and a Lely restaurant rounds out the on-site options with its own personality. Each venue brings something slightly different to the table, so guests staying multiple nights are not stuck eating the same thing over and over. Perhaps the biggest name on the list is Ruth Chris Steakhouse, a well-known steakhouse brand that carries weight with travelers who appreciate a properly cooked cut of beef. Having a recognizable steakhouse on the property means guests do not have to hunt down a taxi just to get a nice dinner. For lighter fare or a quick drink, the bars scattered throughout the resort keep things flowing, and the swim-up bar is a particular highlight that many Tripadvisor reviewers mention favorably. There's something undeniably fun about ordering a cold drink without ever having to get out of the pool. Breakfast is served buffet-style, though it is worth mentioning that at least one recent Tripadvisor guest was less than thrilled with what was included in their breakfast package, so travelers may want to double-check what their specific rate covers before assuming everything is included. Now for what many people come to Puerto Rico for in the first place, and that is the pool and beach scene. The Royal Sonesta San Juan features an outdoor pool that serves as a central gathering spot for guests looking to relax without getting sandy. The swim-up bar makes this pool area particularly popular, and there is also a hot tub for guests who want to unwind after a long day of walking around San Juan. Loungers are typically plentiful, though as with any beachfront resort, arriving early on busy days is the smart move if a prime spot is the goal. The pool area gets plenty of sunshine, which is exactly what most vacationers are hoping for when they book a Caribbean getaway. The beach access is where this property truly shines, however. Isla Verde Beach is right there, just a short walk from the lobby, and guests receive complimentary beach chairs, umbrellas, and towels as part of their stay. That kind of perk saves a real chunk of change when compared to resorts that charge extra for beach equipment. The sand is soft, the water is that iconic Caribbean turquoise, and the beach itself is wide enough that it never feels overcrowded even during busier seasons. Water activities are typically available in the general area for guests who want to try paddleboarding, jet skiing, or a bit of snorkeling. For those who just want to lay back and read a book, the beach delivers on that front too, with plenty of quiet stretches to claim as your own for the afternoon. Beyond the pool and beach, the Royal Sonesta San Juan gives guests plenty of ways to stay active during their stay. The on-site fitness center is available for travelers who do not want to skip their workout routine just because they are on vacation, and it offers enough equipment to get in a proper session. Beyond the gym, the beachfront location naturally lends itself to activities like swimming, jogging along the shore, and general beach games that guests can enjoy without any formal booking. Isla Verde as a neighborhood is walkable, which means guests can easily add extra steps to their day just by exploring the surrounding streets, cafes, and shops. For travelers who enjoy staying moving, there is no shortage of ways to burn off those Ruth Chris steak dinners. Cultural and educational opportunities are also within easy reach thanks to the hotel's proximity to Old San Juan and other historic sites. While these are not on the property itself, the short drive makes it simple to spend a day soaking in Puerto Rican history and then return to the resort for a relaxing evening. Guests interested in local nightlife will find that Club Brava is only about half a kilometer away, offering a lively option for those who want to dance the night away. The Oasis Casino at Embassy Suites San Juan is also nearby for guests who feel like testing their luck. Between the on-site amenities and the surrounding neighborhood, there is genuinely something for every energy level and interest. Wellness travelers will be pleased to know that the Royal Sonesta San Juan includes a spa on the property, giving guests a way to truly decompress during their stay. Spa treatments typically include massages, facials, and body treatments that are perfect after a long day of sun and sand. There is something particularly satisfying about combining a beach vacation with a proper spa day, and this property makes that combination easy to arrange. The hot tub adds another layer of relaxation for guests who want to soak away their stress without necessarily booking a full spa appointment. Between the spa services and the natural calming effect of being oceanside, wellness is baked into the entire experience here. While specific offerings like sauna, steam rooms, yoga classes, or dedicated detox programs are not confirmed in publicly available details, guests looking for those extras should reach out to the property directly to ask about seasonal wellness programming. Many Caribbean resorts of this caliber do offer beachside yoga or meditation sessions during certain months, so it is always worth asking at check-in. The overall vibe of the property leans toward relaxation, and even guests who do not book any formal spa treatments tend to leave feeling recharged. The combination of ocean views, gentle breezes, and comfortable accommodations does a lot of the wellness work on its own. Families traveling with children will find the Royal Sonesta San Juan to be a welcoming choice, and this is echoed in guest reviews that specifically call out the property as family-friendly. The beach setting alone is a huge draw for parents, as kids can spend hours building sandcastles and splashing in shallow water while grown-ups keep an eye from the comfort of a beach chair. The pool area also tends to be a hit with younger travelers, and the swim-up bar means parents can grab a drink without straying far from where the kids are playing. While specific kids' club programming details are not publicly listed, the property's overall setup lends itself well to family stays. The safe neighborhood surrounding the hotel adds another layer of comfort for parents, who can feel at ease letting older kids explore the beach area without constant supervision. Nearby beaches like Pine Grove Beach and Balneario de Carolina offer additional options for family day trips, and the walkable nature of Isla Verde means that finding an ice cream shop or a quick snack is never a hassle. Family rooms and connecting room configurations are typically available for larger groups, though guests should book these directly to confirm availability. Overall, this is a property that understands families are a big part of its business and treats them accordingly. Location is one of the strongest cards this hotel has to play, and it plays it well. Luis Muñoz Marín International Airport is only 1 kilometers away, which translates to a quick drive that most travelers rave about after long flights. That kind of proximity is a game changer for anyone with early departures or late arrivals, and it takes a lot of the stress out of travel logistics. Isla Verde Beach is just 0.6 kilometers away, and other beaches like Balneario Isla Verde and Pine Grove Beach are all within easy walking or driving distance. Beach hoppers have plenty of options within a small radius. For entertainment and cultural stops, Club Brava is only half a kilometer away, and the Oasis Casino at Embassy Suites San Juan sits about 0.8 kilometers from the property. The Chabad Jewish Center of Puerto Rico is also close by for guests who want to connect with a local community during their stay. Old San Juan, with its historic forts and colorful streets, is a short drive away and remains one of the top cultural attractions in the region. Shopping options in the surrounding area include everything from small boutiques to larger commercial centers, giving guests plenty of ways to bring home a souvenir or two. The location truly hits that sweet spot of being close to everything without being buried in a crowded tourist zone. Taking everything into account, the Royal Sonesta San Juan lands as a solid 4-star property that punches well within its weight class. The strengths are clear, starting with the unbeatable location near the airport and directly on one of Puerto Rico's most popular beaches. Cleanliness scores are outstanding, dining options are plentiful, and the recent renovations have kept the property feeling current rather than tired. Guests consistently praise the beach access, the swim-up bar, and the family-friendly atmosphere, all of which contribute to the strong review scores across multiple platforms. There are, of course, areas where the property could improve. The value for money score of 8.0 on Booking.com is respectable but not spectacular, suggesting some guests feel the pricing runs a touch high for what is offered. Certain guests have raised concerns about breakfast inclusions not matching expectations, which is the kind of thing that can sour an otherwise great stay. Communication about what specific rates include would go a long way toward preventing those misunderstandings. Overall, though, the good far outweighs the not so good, and most guests leave planning to return. What sets the Royal Sonesta San Juan apart from other Caribbean options is the combination of factors that rarely come together in one property. The airport proximity alone would be enough to make it stand out, but pair that with direct beach access, complimentary beach gear, a well-known steakhouse on site, and a swim-up bar, and the value proposition becomes very compelling. Few properties in the region offer this many perks in this convenient a location. The recently renovated feel adds a modern touch that many older beachfront resorts simply cannot match without major overhauls. The property also caters well to a wide range of travelers, from families with young kids to couples celebrating anniversaries and business travelers needing a quick overnight before flying out. That flexibility is a genuine unique selling point, as many resorts pigeonhole themselves into one type of guest and lose out on the rest. The Royal Sonesta San Juan manages to feel welcoming regardless of who is checking in, and that inclusive vibe keeps repeat business flowing. For business travelers and group organizers, the property offers meeting and event capabilities that can accommodate everything from small corporate gatherings to larger celebrations. The combination of a beachfront setting and functional event spaces makes it a memorable choice for weddings, reunions, and conferences alike. Anyone considering booking a group event should contact the hotel directly to discuss specific space and catering options. Finally, the guest experience highlights that keep coming up in reviews center on the little touches that make a stay memorable. The complimentary beach chairs, umbrellas, and towels save guests money and hassle from the very first day. Staff at the front desk operate around the clock, which is a lifesaver for late-arriving flights and early morning departures. Guests repeatedly mention feeling safe in the neighborhood, well-fed at the various restaurants, and genuinely relaxed by the end of their stay. For a 4-star property in a competitive market, the Royal Sonesta San Juan delivers exactly the kind of experience that turns first-time visitors into loyal return guests, and that is arguably the best review any hotel could ask for. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up, subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our best hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.